Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Verdie. Today's video will be a product review video, and if you do enjoy this content, definitely subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you engage with the video by leaving a comment or giving it a thumbs up. So BT Artbox did reach out to me and asked if I can review the products that you see on the screen now, and I did agree. They provided me some gel tips as well as some gel glue as well as a mini UV light. I'm going to do a custom set of press-on nails. The first thing I'm going to do is pick out my sizes, making sure that the tip fits sidewall to sidewall, covers up all of my natural nail. I was excited to know that the size 0 fit my nail beds, which I'm wondering if companies are starting to make their sizes a little bit bigger, because lately all the products I've reviewed or tried, personally, off camera, they've been fitting my nail bed. So I'm wondering if these companies are making their sizes a little bit bigger for accommodating us wide nail bed girls. Anyway, so after I pick out all my tips, the application that I'm going to do is just the normal application. I'm going to use traditional nail glue. Yes, they did provide me the glue, the gel glue that needs to be cured in the lamp. But for my own personal reasons, I only use glue like that if the nails are clear, no color, anything like that. These nails are sheer or transparent, however, there's color. For me, I want to ensure that I do everything that I can to avoid using glue, the gel glue, not traditional glue, using the gel glue in an environment where it may or may not 100% cure. I know everyone has a different opinion on this, and that's fine. For me personally, I only use the gel glue when the nail tip I'm using is clear. And that is because the UV light has trouble penetrating things that are not clear. I'm not saying it doesn't cure 100%. I'm not a scientist. But for me personally, I don't want to ever encounter allergies from products. So that's just a precaution that I personally take. These are sheer, and I have seen a lot of people use the gel glue on nails that are sheer. However, sheer and clear in my for me are two different things. So I am just applying using the traditional nail glue. I'm trying to make sure I use enough so that I don't have any air bubbles, because these are sheer. And I did go back on that one nail in the cuticle area because it was not adhered at the cuticle area. So I just put a little bit of glue and a little bit of pressure and was able to make sure that was adhered properly as well. With press-ons, you want to make sure that the seal around the nail is 100%, because if water gets trapped under the nail, you do run the risk of getting greenies or, stuff trapped under in the nail, and you definitely don't want that. So that's why I went in on that cuticle area on that one nail. But easy to apply. So far at that point in the video, I liked how the nails applied pretty flush to the natural nail. So it didn't look like a press-on nail. The way that these nails are made, I really like how these nails are made. In addition, the thickness of them, they're a little bit thicker than normal press-ons, but not too thick where it makes the nail look chunky or anything like that. So the quality of these, I definitely liked. You can leave the nails as is, but I decided to do a little bit of design work on the nails. Now, I did a few designs off camera. I wasn't satisfied with what was coming out, so I'm going to practice that nail design and hit you guys with that in a future video. So I just did a simple French on a couple of the nails and then did a marble on the other 3 nails. And you see me here cleaning up the area because I'm not the neatest painter. So you see me cleaning up the area, and what I'm using is just a paper towel. It has some alcohol in it, and the brushes that I'm using are from Yastred. and they actually reached out to me and sent me a set of nail art brushes as well as an acrylic brush to review. For this video, I'm just doing the nail art brushes, and I like the quality. They're double-ended, so definitely a space saver with those double-ended brushes. And so far, using the brushes for this video, I did like the quality of them as well. Whatever products I'm using, including the nail polish I'm using for this video, that will be in the description box below. If I have any discount codes, those are in the description box below as well. So definitely check that out if you're in the market for nail art brushes or some nail art tips. All that information will be below. And one thing that when you're doing marble, it's easy for the nail to get bulky. It's easy to apply too much product, which makes the nail bulky. Just be a little bit careful as well with that when curing. If you're trying to work as thin as possible so that you can fully cure the gel polish. You can also do this with regular nail polish as well. However, my preference is gel polish. And I think I did mention what I'm using to clean up with is just a little bit of alcohol. You can use acetone for that as well. My preference is alcohol. So I'm just going in on here and just cleaning up that smile line. I'm using the smile line that was already on the nail as a guide, which was extremely helpful. And again, you don't have to design these nails or anything like that, but if you want to, you can. You could also do it before you apply the nails. So it's really up to you what process you want to use. But you can see the hand that I'm working with, my right hand, you can see how the nails look without a design, and they look fine both ways. So after I'm done cleaning everything up and I fully cure everything in the lamp, I do go in with Not Polish's Gloss It Top Coat. I chose this top coat because, one, it wears really well. It's a very durable top coat, so it stays shiny throughout your wear. And then it's also a little bit of a thicker top coat, so you won't really feel the texture of the nail art, so the nail is smooth after you apply the top coat. I know that's not an issue for a lot of people, but that's kind of one of my things. I need my nails to be smooth. After I'm done curing everything in the lamp, I'm going to go in with some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin. And because I'm using harsh products, the nail glue, the rubbing alcohol, even though I was very, very cautious not to get the glue on my skin, I just want to make sure that I add some moisture back to that skin and some nutrients back to the skin surrounding the nail. And that's an important step that we also leave out in our process. So definitely make sure that you are using some sort of oil to rehydrate your skin after and throughout your wear of your product. Not your product, throughout the wear of your nails. This is the finished look. I think these came out adorable. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will see you guys soon for another video.